Wow, it's incredible how Meta stock have performed in the past 5 years, over 153% up in price in the past 5 years. But I have an increase in one of my accounts at over 300% in gains. And the reason is because I was buying heavily in October 2022 at under $100 a share. So the question today is it Meta stock a good investment for the future? What's going to happen in the next few years or in the next few quarters? So I have all this information for you today. Welcome to my channel. In my channel, we would like to take our current income, invest money so the money can work for us instead of working all our life just for money. So today I'm going to talk about Meta stock, which I have an increase of these gains at this moment when I record this video. And the company stock is around $400 to $500 right now. And as you saw at the beginning of the video, I was buying heavily this stock under $100 a share. So today, let me talk to you about what is the last report for Meta stock and the forecast that this company have for the next quarters and the next few years. Okay, so real quick, for Meta stock Q1 2024, you can see that in the last quarter, it actually dropped in revenue. As you know, Meta stock makes money with the advertising in their platforms. So it ended up reporting $35 billion in revenue. And you can see on the right side how this revenue is actually distributed around the different continents in the world. The companies are created to make money. So this is the net income. And as you can see, it actually dropped compared to the previous quarter from $14 billion in net income to $12 billion. But it's making money. So this is a really good sign. And if we look at the family daily active people, this shows how more and more people continues to use their platforms at a record right now in the last quarter of 3.4 billion people in the world. Almost half of the population in the world is using Meta products. So let's take a look at their financials in the past few quarters. In the past few quarters, you can see the growth of this company growing at over 20% in the past 3 quarters. The same thing as their earnings per share, EPS, which is growing significantly at around $5 per share, showing growth of more than 100% in the past 3 quarters. Now, looking at the next 3 quarters, you can see a growth, consistent growth of around 15 to 20%, the same as their earnings per share, growing at 62% for the next quarter that is going to end in June 30th, 2024. Now, looking at the past 5 years, you can see the growth of this company continue to improve year after year. The same thing as their earnings per share. As you know, this is all advertising, so their earnings per share is a little different every year. But looking at the next 5 years, this is the forecast for this company, growing at around 10 to 20% every year for the next 5 years. And especially their earnings per share continue to grow with a projection of 37% growth for this year, 2024. So what do you think about the financials for Meta stock? This company continues to gain strength. All the companies need to advertise their products, and there is no better way than Meta stock. I have a lot of friends that have their own business from their home selling products and advertising through Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. A lot of the contracts are going to be made through business, through WhatsApp. So this is a lot of information that I have been sharing in another video. And this is why I also invest in this company called DocuSign. So what are your thoughts about the information that you see on this video? I would love to know, what do you think about this company? What do you think about the future? And do you have any Meta stock? Thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, because there is a lot of information coming in soon.